In this session, I want to discuss about the third colligative property, that is depression of freezing point. First, let us know what do you mean by freezing point. The freezing point of a substance is defined as the temperature at which the vapor pressure of the substance in its liquid phase is equal to its vapor pressure in the solid phase. A solution will freeze when its vapor pressure equals the vapor pressure of the pure solid solvent. This is a graph where you can see the vapor pressure of the solution is less compared to the vapor pressure of the solvent. According to Raoult's law, when a non-volatile solute is added to the solvent, its vapor pressure decreases and hence the freezing point of the solvent decreases. Let Tf naught be the freezing point of pure solvent and Tf be its freezing point of solution when a non-volatile solute is dissolved in it. The decrease in the freezing point, that is delta Tf, is equal to Tf naught minus Tf, which is known as depression in freezing point. The depression of freezing point, that is delta Tf, for dilute solution is directly proportional to molality M of the solution. Thus, delta Tf is directly proportional to molality, or delta Tf is equal to Kf into M. The proportionality constant Kf, which depends on the nature of the solvent, is known as freezing point depression constant or molar depression constant or cryoscopic constant. The SI unit of Kf is Kelvin kg per mole. The molality of this solute can be calculated by using the following expression, that is small m is equal to W2 into 1000 divided by W1 into M2, where W1 and W2 are the masses of the solvent and solute respectively. M2 is the molar mass of the solute. Hence, delta Tf is equal to M into Kf, which is equal to W2 into 1000 into Kf divided by W1 into M2. Molar mass of the solute can be calculated as M2 is equal to W2 into 1000 into Kf divided by W1 into delta Tf. Thus, for calculating the molar mass of this solute, we should know the quantities W1, W2, delta Tf and Kf. Among pure water and seawater has high boiling point and lowest freezing point. Give reason. This is because the freezing point of seawater is less than 0 degree due to the presence of dissolved salts. To clear the snow covered roads and hilly areas, the salt is sprinkled. Why? When the salt is sprinkled, the snow starts melting due to depression in the freezing point, and this results in the formation of water and helps to clear roads.